All right, writers, it is time to move into writing class, and it is time for you to shine in some writing. We've done informational booklets, and my goodness, the things that I learned from you are incredible. Like, you had so much knowledge up here that you were able to give me so much information in those booklets. It was awesome. We've written personal narrative stories and gave different kind of stories. But now we're going to move into something what they call essay writing. Essay writing is kind of like for big kids and like responsible young adult things to do. And so it's really a big deal that you are becoming an essay writer. And there are some steps in becoming an essay writer. And so we are going today, we're not really gonna like write a full essay today, but we're gonna learn the steps of it and how I piece it together so that you can start doing some flash drafts. Flash drafts mean like you're just fast drafting and you can fix it later, but you're just like coming up with all these ideas to go along with it and getting the bigger piece of it, and then we add the details later. So first, I want to start out by reading a paper to you, and in these essays, we're going to have a lot of opinions about why I love the fourth grade is the paper I'm going to read to you. Sometimes it may be opinion about what is the best vacation, or in your opinion of the perfect hiding spot. Or so in these essays, you're going to give your opinion for something, but you just can't give your opinion and say, my favorite place to go on vacation is to the beach. All right, cool. But why? And what are your reasons why? And so when we give an opinion, we always want to back it up with some reasons. And so we're going to learn how to do that in my essay. So I want to read you this fourth grade paper here. And sorry if I'm really close to the computer. But this paper got the best score possible. This was in March of 2016. And the prompt said, write about a reason you like the fourth grade. So he had to give their opinion of the fourth grade. So he said, fourth grade is full of fun and lots of learning. As the different grades have flied by at Flint Oaks, they have all seemed quite boring and bland, but this one has been the best. You're probably asking, why do you like this particular grade the most? What is it that makes it the most fun and joyful? Well, one reason I like fourth grade is because of my teacher. She makes it motivating to start a new day and is always by my side when I need the most help. So his main idea is why he likes the fourth grade. And did he tell me why he liked the fourth grade the most? His teacher. Now he's going to tell me why his teacher makes it the most fun. Learning is not there fun at all, but my teacher, Miss Forrest, makes it as fun as possible with her positive mood. For example, when my teacher reads a book out loud to the class, she expresses her thoughts as if the character was actually real and has come to life. She also explains different words in a story so we can visualize it easier in our head. In science, she thinks outside the box and shows us 3D models of a figure. In the most dreadful subject, history, she cuts down some of the work or gives us another day to turn a project in, unlike the other fourth grade teachers. On the other hand, she shows that she cares about me by using the 7 habits to help work out a situation. If I'm scared or sad, she never screams or walks away. Instead, she makes me laugh by telling funny stories about her family, which seem to spice up the day. With her motivating spirit, she makes me want to come to school every day, even on the weekends. This is what makes fourth grade so fun and inspiring to learn, all that she does to help and how caring she is. It's all because of my loving teacher. No one could ever replace her. She's one of a kind. Even though this is only one reason why I like fourth grade, it's one of the best reasons why I love it so much. And so I wanted you to hear what a big, not perfect, no writing's perfect, I shouldn't say that. What a big paper sounded like. Like, what did that opinion essay, what does a good one sound like? Now, that was, like I said, that was the best score you could get. They had good transition words and vocabulary. They gave their reason why and explained it. And so I wanted to share that with you so that you had an idea of what to look for or what to work towards as we're working on different essays. So today I want to teach you that when writers write essays about their opinions, they structure their essays so that they communicate their thesis statement, which is like the big idea, and their reasons for their thesis statement. Sometimes writers refer to this as boxes and bullets. So I have set up some boxes and bullets on the board, and we're going to do a little walk through together, and then you're going to finish fast drafting this paper for me. Wherever you see a bullet is when you start a new paragraph on a paper. The paper that you're going to begin seeing is going to be lined paper that I'm going to give you. And that is the star paper that you will write your essay on, your expository opinion writing on. And so I really want us to get used to using that so that we know how to go from side to side. We don't skip lines and all the things that come with that. So let's get started. So today, I think our topic's going to be maybe about something like, what is your favorite dessert or snack? Or something that you love. And so something that I think that we can all have a little fun with, I thought we would write about, I love ice cream. And this is going to be our sample essay that we're going to do together. So we need to come up with some reasons of why I love ice cream. So I've come up with a couple, and I want to share them with you. And then when you do your fast draft, if you want to change them, you can. Or you can just use what I have and fill it all in so it makes a good essay there. I love ice cream because you can add different toppings. Okay. Another reason I might love ice cream is because there's so many flavors. And believe it or not, this is like a for real thing for me. Like, toppings is my jam. Give me some gummy bears and sprinkles and Reese's and Oreos on my ice cream, and I am a happy woman, I tell you. And I do love all the flavors. Like, sometimes I want chocolate, and sometimes I want just a simple vanilla, or sometimes I really want some fruity strawberry or peach ice cream. And mostly because it is so refreshing on a hot day, especially living here in Texas. And that is something I would probably add in my essay to give it that little, what did we call it? That teeny story about the topic. So there, I might give a teeny story about one time it was really hot and give an example of a time that we ate that ice cream. So I have my reasons about why I love ice cream and why it's my favorite dessert. So now I just have to go through and put it into bigger sentences. I need to go through and maybe add a tiny story for each reason. So that I have more than just a 3-paragraph essay. Over here, you see on my chart, I've kind of given you the structure of the essay. Write it strong and write it long. Like, your words have to be powerful. So you always want to start with your thesis statement. I think that ice cream is the best dessert because you can add different toppings to it, comma. There's so many flavors, comma. And most of all, it's refreshing on a hot day. So that is kind of the box there would be my introduction, where I'm going to introduce what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to go into details. One reason that I love ice cream is that you can add different toppings. For example, when I go to Orange Leaf, I like to put all the gummy bears on top because when they get frozen and hard, it's hard to chew and it's kind of like a frozen snack on top. So do you see how I'm taking that, talking about the toppings, I'm taking that and stretching it into bigger sentences, but still on the same topic. So what you're going to do today is you're going to take these 3 ideas, and you might have to pause this video and go back so that you know what 3 to write about, and you are going to fast draft this story. So just type out an essay on that lined paper that I have attached, and you're going to fast draft this ice cream story into your very first essay. Let's see here. Make sure I didn't miss anything. I think that's it. So I can't wait to see what you come up with. You can use my 3 reasons or you can change it if you want. That's up to you, but I want it to be fast. Like, we're not going to spend 45 minutes writing a paper. Like in class, I'm probably going to set a timer for 20 minutes. You're going to be done. So if you're at home, set that timer. What you get done is what you get done. Okay?